So I'm going to show you in today's video how to connect your Airtag to your iPhone. So just unbox the Airtag. There is a peeling strip here which you take off to open the box, and inside we have the Airtag. Now you do need to make sure you've updated to the latest iOS, so make sure you have already done that. And your Bluetooth needs to be on in order to detect the Airtag. So take the Airtag out of its case. There's a plastic kind of peel which you need to take off, so just pull that off. Once you do pull it off completely and remove it, the Airtag makes a noise. Just like that. And now you place your Airtag near to your phone and it should detect it. In this case, it took about 5 minutes for the Airtag to be detected by my phone. So now it's been detected, you have to press connect. You then name your Airtag, so this is going to go on my keys. Just verify that it's linked to the correct Apple ID, so your details will show up here, your email address and your telephone number. Press agree to that, and it's just going to connect. It just takes a few seconds, and now it's connected, so it's got your location there. And now anytime you search on Find My iPhone on the devices or the items section, you'll be able to precisely locate this Airtag. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below, and thank you for watching.